What you want? More fish? I be egg.
Every time, too much talk. Money you cannot send.
Hey, baby, how you doing now?
Why haven't you sent money for the week? It's another week and it's ending.
Baby, calm down now. I'm working towards it. I bet no verse. I'm trying to get some money. Relax.
For how long will it take you to buy me ordinary 300k wig?
Babe, relax. All right, this is my workplace. Just calm down. We can talk about this later. You're embarrassing me.
Hey, are you talking about embarrassment? What is more embarrassing than being poor?
Babe, I told you that I have plans. All right, I have plans. Trust me.
Hey, if that your plan includes me as your girlfriend, you would have gotten me those wigs. See, next week, if you don't send me that money, I am done with you and there's no coming back. Look at me now. You don't even deserve me. I'm managing you. Get those wigs, I beg.
Bro, who this girl thinks that she be now?
Voice.
Eh? Why would she come here and start insulting you for what? Listen, she has a point. You hear me? You with me and you with the hustle, they do legit stuff to make money, but you know me say that girl will come here come insult you like this now. See, it's time you use that they do with money ritual because she dey useless, you dey poor. You check am now, guy.
Move. Okay, no verse. Give her water, I beg.
Henry, I'm glad to see you. How's your father?
Well, my father's well. He's been resting.
Yes.
And since I took over management, he's just laid back a little bit.
And then he's been speaking so glowingly about you.
Oh, yes. All the 3 companies I've been managing for him have all experienced like
Dad.
roughly 40%.
Yes, my love.
What's he doing here?
Oh, sweetheart.
I thought we already talked about this.
Sweetheart.
Dad, we have an understanding.
Sweetheart, he came for a formal introduction to the family.
What introduction?
Amanda,
I told you I'm not interested.
Amanda, that is no way to talk to your father. All right? You should show some respect. And I came so we could get acquainted with each other and, maybe see how we could go from there. Right? I mean, it would be a privilege for, someone like you to get to know someone like me. Who knows? We might much as well get married or, become an item. A lot of young ladies right now, especially in these times that we are, they are all over the churches and the miracle centers praying and waiting for their miracle husbands, right? But this husband came to you at your doorstep. So it's a lifetime opportunity, and I say you take it. Let go of those small boys.
Well said. But I'm not interested. I'm not one of those women that will massage your ego, okay? And quit pretending.
Sweetheart.
Dad.
This is our guest. Let's be a little civil with him.
Civil?
Yes, darling.
Dad, I don't know what's going on here, but please take me out of it. And I don't want to see him again.
Sweetheart, you can't just walk away like that. Well, Henry, my daughter is a queen. And, when she's like this, it's not really easy to, calm her down.
Of course.
But she's a lady, so let's give her a little time.
Yes, of course, I do understand. She might be acting her age. But then again, make her understand that I do not have a lot of time on my hands.
I understand.
Yeah, it was a pleasure being at your home today.
It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure,
Thank you
Henry.
very much.
Please, my greetings to your father.
Of course, he will hear.
All right, okay.
All right. Thank you.
So, bye now.
Yeah.
Any other thing? You see? And you will just go like that now. Just later I will give you. I no get change. Come. I beg. Make you buy water. I need water for here. Buy water.
yeah,
hurry up. I need water. Make I sell food.
Sharp. I
Thank
come
you,
just now, yeah.
Hurry, eh? Oga. Rice, Abi.
Jesus Christ. Jesus. Hello. Hey, I'm sorry. Somebody help me! Somebody help me! I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Somebody help me! Please wake up. I'm sorry. Somebody help me! Oh God, what am I going to do? Please.
I beg the water they come. Mona no vex. Madam, they come. No vex.
Brother James, car don't jam your brother. Brother Jude, for don't show. For don't show. Jude! You won't kill my brother!
No.
Jude! You don't kill him!
Let's go to the hospital.
You don't kill him!
Hospital, please.
What the fuck are you waiting? No, then go!
I'm sorry.
Okay, go.
Here, I've taken care of the bills.
Thank you.
Please, let me have your account number so I can send you some money in case he needs anything. Please. And the bank?
Exotic bank.
Okay. Thank you. I have to go home now. I'll come back as soon as I can to check up on him. Okay?
Thank you very much for everything. But you really don't have to come back.
No. I put him in this condition. I will. I need to check up on him. Also, I'm very glad the doctor said the injury in his neck area is not that serious. He'll be fine in a couple of weeks. Okay?
Okay.
I'm very sorry.
It's fine. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
I'll take my leave now. Good evening, Dad.
Why did you run off to leaving your husband to be?
Dad. Look, I understand that you're not used to our Gen Z lifestyle. You're probably still stuck in your old ways of marriage. That's why I'm respectfully telling you that I am not interested. This will not work. Please.
Amanda, your union with the son of my billionaire friend will enhance our family and social relationships. Of course, business relationships as well.
What? Dad, it's not fair that you're asking me to get married just to consolidate your business relationship. It's not fair.
Now, what's not fair about that? You're getting married to someone of your age, mate. And then you get along very well.
Someone of my age that is so arrogant with bad attitude?
Oh, Amanda.
Dad, come on.
Amanda, that's just a stupid Gen Z behavior. I mean, you know you didn't mean that, and you get over such nonsense with time.
Okay, fine. Dad, I am not interested. Let's not have this conversation again. I beg you. I'm not interested, and that is fine now.
Amanda, just
Dad,
please.
please.
Try and meet him. Try and meet him. That's all I'm asking for. Oh, this is frustrating. is frustrating. Frustrating.
So where are you off to, Amanda? We're supposed to meet with the parents today.
Dad, where I'm going to is very important. And like I said yesterday, I am not meeting that guy.
You've not even met him.
I don't want to meet him. I'm not marrying him.
What nonsense are you talking about? Where are you off to?
Somewhere important.
Naomi. Naomi!
Yes, sir. Sir.
Where's my daughter off to?
Sir, she didn't tell me where she's going to. Okay, sir.
When the night feels longer than the break of day, if your faith gets shaken and you can't hold on, I'll be the light you lean upon. When the voices rise and they drown your truth, when your heart's been bruised and you've got no proof, I'll be your shelter when the winds run wild. I'll walk beside you every mile. I will stand by you through it all. I'll see you through. No matter
Hi.
what this life
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. I was told you've been discharged.
Yes, I was just about to pack up and leave with my brother.
Cool. That's why I'm here. To help take you home. You brought home.
Thank you, but are you sure you want to stretch yourself? I mean,
It's not a stress to me at all. That's why I'm here, I promise. I can also help you pack.
thank you.
Right. Is it in?
Yes.
Okay. Hello. Hi.
Jude, can you come down? Let me just leave your phone. Thank you.
It's okay. Do you want my help? So this is your place?
Yes, over there. Thank you so much, ma.
No, you don't have to thank me. It was all my fault.
Usually, when an accident happens, it could be anyone's fault or both parties' fault.
Okay. Please call me if you need anything, okay?
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Please take care of yourself, Jude.
Yeah, I will.
Thank you.
We'll be fine. All right. Thank
Okay.
you.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, Dad. I have given this a thought. If I'm going to consider what you are asking me to, I think I will at least get to know him.
Well, that's fine. That's what I've been talking about.
No, you have been talking about marriage. And I cannot jump into marriage with a total stranger with such attitude.
Well, sweetheart, that's a good place to start. At least you get to meet him.
Okay. But I'm not promising you anything.
That's not a problem. That's good. Just meet him. That's the beginning.
Okay, Dad.
Good.
Why are you not drinking something? Should I get you a drink?
Get me a drink.
Okay, I'll get you myself. Naomi! Nana!
James, where have you been for days?
Been around.
What do you mean you've been around? I went to your house, I came here many times, you were nowhere to be found. Or are you avoiding me?
Are you serious? You came here, you didn't see me, and you think I'll close my shop down to avoid you? Am I mad?
Hey, you must be both to talk to me like that.
Listen, Sandra, this is my workplace, okay? I don't have strength for all this right now. I'm going through a lot. We can talk later. As you can see, Jude that normally helps me is not around, okay? I don't have strength for your drama. Just go, I beg. Just go. Just go.
James, you've not heard from me for days. You don't even care to know how I'm faring. No, this is not you. I'll come back when you're less busy. What's happening to him?
You want? You want more? You mean I'm dey here now? I say, my brother, no, I'm dey here.
My bro.
Hey.
How far now?
How you doing now?
Yeah, I do. How market today now?
How your leg dey?
Guy, come on your hand with that place. I don't know, say...
Sorry. But you're getting better, Abby.
Guy, I'm feeling a whole lot better, actually.
Thank God.
Hey, guy, how far? I want to ask you one question.
What's it be that? No, just talk now. You don't need to go stress your neck.
Okay. How far that girl? Waiting una to dey talk so far.
Which girl be that?
Why you dey act like this now? The girl when hit me now, when carry me go hospital.
Oh, what do you mean by waiting me and I'm the talk?
Guy, that girl, you know, she say she did very nice. She was very nice to me now. See how she dey come hospital, they come check up on me. They come on.
Guy, she was only doing what she is expected to do. After all, now she hits you. Now she put you for this condition like this. So she's supposed to do all those things now.
Bro, now you dey talk that thing. You open your mouth, they talk that thing. You don't know the country where we dey. How many people will hit you in this country and then take responsibility? Eh?
One day.
Guy, now it's time to shoot your shot. Now when she still dey come see us now, I think you go don shoot this shot. Get go sense.
Shoot with shots, Baba. Why you dey whine yourself? You say James will always be James. Now why Jude write only one chapter for Bible? Why you go dey whine yourself?
You
Calm down, bro. See that girl. See where she dey. See where me I dey. Let's be realistic. She dey out of my league. Me wey baby say I dey struggle to survive. Come carry that kind of chalogo.
You know say you be odogo. You fair, you fine, you can't talk. She fair, she fine. Una too fit. Unlike me when black, if na me now, we fit dey debate am.
Guy. First of all, wetin you dey talk? Wetin you dey yarn? So na fair people fine, dark people dey know. Make guys no gather beat you for this Africa where we dey. How you dey talk like that?
Guy, you understand wetin I dey talk.
Secondly, Baba, no dey whine me. Okay, if you too like this girl, go follow am now. Wetin hold you?
What you dey talk? How I want to take hold her, how I want to carry her. First of all, you don't even say my hand dey handicapped. Even if say no dey handicapped, my hand go dey shake when I carry that.
Why are you going to shake? Because the girl is too hot for you.
She big pass me now.
As in big based on size, I'll be based on hotness. Which one? Come on, dear Jare.
I want to demonstrate how this thing.
Demonstrate a mercy.
You don't see the way the make I hold on for you before you go understand. They go inside, go look for fan for me.
It's a very much stress first. The stress too today will be small something.
Hi.
Have a seat.
Okay. You good?
You're late. You're 3 minutes late.
It's traffic.
Traffic.
Mm-hmm.
Traffic, you say?
Yeah. But I'm sorry.
I wasn't done talking. You could have left your house 1 hour or 2 hours before the time we were supposed to meet.
I did, but
You did.
it's Lagos. Things could go wrong.
Do you know how many women will jump up at the idea of having to dine with me? And you're telling me traffic.
Harry, stop. I'm trying to do this because of my dad. You need to take a chill pill. What's your problem?
You know what? You don't deserve it anyway.
What? Excuse me. What do you think you are to speak to me in such manner?
Hi, Dad.
Hi, sweetheart.
Good evening.
Good evening. How was your day?
Talking about my day, Dad. I want you to have it on record that I have tried. I have done my own part just to make you happy. But you see that guy? He's disrespectful, full of himself, and rude. You know what that means? It means this, it's over.
Hey, Amanda, relax. Just get close to the young man and you find out that he's such a nice guy.
There is nothing to find out. I have seen it all.
Hey, listen, Amanda, listen. See, that young man studied business administration abroad. And since he came back, he's been managing 3 branches of the father's business. And he's doing a good job at it.
What? You know, I'm really beginning to get upset that you're using me as a bait for the success of your business. No, Dad, I'm your only daughter. Why would you want me to end up with someone as rude and arrogant as that guy?
You are my only daughter, and everything I'm doing is in your best interest.
Really?
Yeah.
So why are you not seeing things from my perspective?
Sweetheart, listen, everything I'm doing is for your own good.
Except him. He's of no good to me, Dad.
Sweetheart, just take it easy. You know what's going to happen now? You go inside, eat something, drink something to relax. We'll talk about this later.
I'm done. I have no words for you.
Just go relax a little bit, okay? Welcome back, huh? Ah.
Yes, who is there? I'm coming.
Hi.
Hello.
You good?
Yes, I am. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. I just came to check up on you. Are you fine?
I'm getting better, as you can see. They took off the neck
Yeah.
collar. Yes.
I'm really glad you're getting better.
Yeah, all thanks to you.
Thank you. What about your brother? Is he home?
Please sit down. My brother, he's at the shop currently. He's not in the house.
Shop? What shop?
I know we never told you we had a shop, but yes, we have a shop where we sell really good food.
Oh.
Yeah.
It's not far from here, just along the road.
Okay, that's good to know. I'm really excited that you're feeling better. Just wanted to check up on you. I'll take my leave now.
Please, can you help me open the door,
Yeah,
please?
sure. Hey, I was just asking after you. Hi.
Hi.
You okay?
Yeah.
You're good?
Yes, I was at the shop. I just came to bring food for you.
Yeah, I'll just drop it in.
Okay.
I need to run back to the shop now. My customers will be waiting for me.
Yeah, sure. I'm already leaving. I can drop you off.
Okay,
Cool?
okay, sure.
Okay. Bye, Jude.
Yeah, bye.
Bye. Yeah.
Money is coming.
So you cook and sell for a living?
Yeah, I do.
That's so rare.
How so?
I mean, that's something I see women do. Never heard a man cook before and sell.
Well, that's not true. I understand what you're trying to say, though, but there are some big restaurants in town that are run by men, you know, and you know when a man cooks, it's always very special.
Cool.
Yes.
Honestly, I'm amazed because it's so rare to see a guy of your age doing that kind of job. In this era, it's really rare for real.
Well, graduated with a 2-1, no job, and I mean, I decided to cook. I mean, cooking is my passion. Don't get me wrong, cooking is my passion, and it's just that people don't really value what comes out from a cooker if it's not really packaged and all that. No matter how sweet it is, um, I have a dream that one day I'm going to own one of the biggest restaurants in town.
That's good.
Yeah.
That's good. Congratulations to achieving your dreams in advance.
Make we dey look good now. Amen.
Amen.
Amen. Well, I mean, like I said, it's my passion and I also do it to survive. It's a means of livelihood, so I'm using one stone to kill two birds. And I enjoy doing it.
Yeah, I mean, as long as you enjoy doing it, that's all that matters.
And it's also my source of livelihood, so using one stone to kill two birds.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you sure you don't want to come in and have a taste of our meal?
No, I need to go back to work there. But next time, I'll try.
Promise.
Yeah, promise.
Thank you very much, ma.
Okay, it's okay.
Oh, Henry. Ah, you were here.
Yes, sir.
Oh, Henry. How are you?
I'm fine. Good day, sir.
Yes.
Well, I came to meet with you to discuss what exactly is going on. My father's running out of patience.
I know. Just give us a little time. My daughter will come around, I promise.
Okay. Speaking of your daughter, is she home?
No, at the moment she's not around. But I'll tell her you called so that she'll call you back.
Okay, sir. You have to understand that we're working with a time frame here.
I do understand, Henry. I do understand. I do.
Okay, I'll be on my way then.
Great. My greetings to your father now.
Of course.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Yes, thank you.
Do you like it?
I love it. It tastes so good.
Now me the runner.
So I'm thinking you're going to pack up some more so I can give to my dad.
Your dad.
Yes, I think he'll love it too.
Well, I'll do that.
Mm-hmm.
Look, it sounds so fulfilling to know that you like my food.
Yeah. Your hands are blessed.
Thank you. Thank you. Do you want some more?
No, I'm filled. I think you should also pack for my nanny, Naomi. Yeah, she'll love it too, for real.
All
So
right.
that's like 3 plates.
Consider it done.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
All right.
Mm. Ooh. This tastes good.
Like three takeaway.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, sir. I'll just let her know you're here.
You are supposed to be on your way to going to let her know that I'm here. You're not supposed to be standing here and be telling me that you are going to tell her that you're here. I mean, you like, as you are now, you are matter. Huh? You are occupying space and obstructing all the air coming from that angle of the house. Run upstairs and go and go. Oh, I forgot, you can't run. I mean, can you even climb the stairs?
Sir, I will let her know you're here.
Take it, don't fall. Oh, that's a lot of people. Nonsense. I don't know why they will even go and employ very bogus house help like that. Huh? Usually house help should be slim. Huh? So that when she messes up, you can scold her. This one will scold the father, will even beat the daughter, and they can't even send her out. They will be afraid of her. Goliath. Nonsense.
Come in.
Ma, he's still waiting for you downstairs.
Who is he? Oh,
Ma, I know that you don't want to see him, so what should I tell him?
the truth. That I don't want to see him.
Ma, I can't tell him that you don't want to see him more. Maybe I should just tell him that you're no more around. That I just went to your room, I didn't see you again.
Nana,
Ma.
when did you start lying? You go to him, tell him I don't want to see him. And that's on period, right? Go.
Okay, ma.
You're too decent to lie.
Sir, she said she doesn't want to see you, sir.
I don't understand. Did you pass the information correctly? Huh? Because looking at you, you obviously have mammary glands for brains and for ears. So I'm not even sure you have the ability to comprehend information and pass it on. Huh? Now, go upstairs, run there now, and tell her that I, Henry Obi Uchendo, I am asking her to come down here and meet me. Go. Hey! That is not the way of that. Hey!
Hey.
You good?
Yeah.
How's work going?
Work is going fine. It's going fine.
So, I don't know. I'm thinking, can you spare me a few minutes of your time for us to take a stroll, go somewhere, chill? I don't know.
You want to go out?
Yes. And I want your company.
I would really love to, but I have to do my business. I've not really sold much today, and I'm still trying to,
What? Are you going to say no to a pretty girl? I insist, please.
We're not going to spend too much time, right?
No, we will not.
All right. I'll do that. I'll do that for you.
You can ask your guys around to look out for you. Sounds cool?
Yeah.
So are we good?
I mean, I'll do it for you.
Yeah.
Because you're a fine girl.
Okay, so I'll wait in the car.
Yeah, let me just tell some people to
So
to look after mine. Wait.
James, I admire you a whole lot. You're hardworking. You're so genuine. Look, I don't know, this might sound awkward, but I think I find you attractive. Ever since the incident, I don't know, I've been thinking about you a whole lot. No, don't get me wrong. Look, all I want is for us to be friends. It's been a really long time since I last had a male friend, a good one. If you don't mind.
Sure, it's not a problem. I mean, of course you can be my friend. You can always come over to the shop anytime you want to.
For real?
Of course.
Thank you. That means so much to me, James.
Sure.
Okay, I need to start going out for my dad calls.
All right.
And my regards to your brother Jude, okay?
Oh, yes, he will hear.
Okay.
All right, so
Bye.
bye.
Can I get a hug?
Sure.
I don't mind. Okay.
Thank you.
Sure. Yeah, bye.
All right. Bye.
James!
Babe. Alpha.
You still haven't sent the money for the week.
Babe, chill now. Chill for 1 second, Sandra. Calm down now.
Chill? You don't call? You don't check up on me? Let me even ask you, do you regard me in this relationship?
Come, let me ask you a question. If I'm the one displaying this your attitude, will you look for me? Be honest. Just tell me the truth.
You must be very stupid to ask that question. Where is the money for the week, or we are done? I said it's over. You would say something.
What do you want me to say now? You say it's done, Abby. Oh yeah, now it's done.
Okay, good. Don't look for me, okay? You don't even deserve me.
No problem, no problem. I've had you.
Look at him. This guy is stupid. Stupid.
She brought me home again. What told me she brought you home again, guy? This girl is coming to the shop very often now. I can smell something cooking up.
Which you smell? You cook anything for us?
You know they feel I'm saying something, they go on here.
Baba, she said she just wants to be friends, and I'm taking her words for it.
Friends? Friends is a good start now. Don't be from pass you go score go. It makes sense now.
Guys, you see, calm down first, calm down. See, my gist you. She dropped me off, and then the person that was walking into the scene was Sandra. Sandra saw her car zooming off. Sandra was frustrated. And she now walked to me and she started saying, money for my wig. Money for my, you know her normal craze.
Yes.
She can't tell me, say, if you don't give me money, it's over. It's over. I'm done. I don't have no wahala.
Wait. That girl they expect say you go actually buy her any wig.
You don't have 50k. I get there at 50k and I wear this top where they like nylon. And they suffer for here.
But you know say yourself, you know they hear what?
How?
I don't advise you make you leave girlfriend for now. But you say no. You forget say we poor. Forget all this fine boy guy. You know get shishi.
Why they what's be your problem? Why they talk to me like that? You say my small brother feel knock you for
No, they hit me. Now the truth I tell you.
No, but on a serious note, bro, if Sandra was willing to build with me,
Uh,
I like that, babe. See everything now. See, everything just sweet, too correct.
you don't tell me say you be bricklayer. You dey expect me girl build with you when you no get cement or sand, bro. Nothing dey your two pocket. The one when a papa don build finish when I dey force you make you chook head enter now, e be as if say I don't know wetin I dey talk. Bro, we are poor. You broke. Which one be build wetin? You get anything?
Come, you know, say be gold digger. You be better gold digger like this.
No dig gold now.
Eh.
I see gold for floor. You no go collect.
Okay, so now you say you be gold picker. Gold digger is different from what? Gold picker.
Bro, now who wise go collect when you see? Yeah, stupidity na to build when you no get anything.
Wait, you try to say I know wise.
Now you know.
I will.
Amanda. Yeah?
Dad.
Amanda.
Sir.
Why are you not picking Henry's call? Why?
Why should I take his call? We have nothing to discuss, Dad.
What nonsense are you talking about? What are you talking about?
Dad, please stop. You're beginning to frustrate me with this marriage talk every time. I will not marry Henry, Dad. I will not.
Listen to me, Amanda. You will marry him. I say so.
No, Dad, you lie. I told you before, this is Gen Z era. You don't force your daughter to marry who she doesn't love. This is a lifetime something we're talking about. Please, I will not marry him. And that's some period. There's nothing on earth you will do or say that will make me marry him. Nothing.
What nonsense did she drink?
I'm going to ask you again. And I need you to be truthful to me. What exactly were you doing there?
What's this supposed to mean? Are you not following me around? What? You're my pet dog now?
Amanda, that is not the answer to the question I asked. I asked you, what were you doing there? You went there to eat? Is that your excuse? In a place like that, that slum, that's where you go to eat.
Who are you to me to ask me such questions? You're not my stomach. What's your business with where I choose to eat? Or what I'm doing there?
Listen to me. You're my wife-to-be. Where you go, what you wear, who you decide to associate with, it all rubs on me. So I don't want you going there to go and see whoever God knows who, doing God knows what. If you're going to be involved with me, do you understand?
That's where you get it all wrong. You and me will never work. When you're done, you can leave.
Hello, sir. You want anything you want? We get rice, we get swallow, we get jollof beans, we get
Now
swallow.
listen to me.
Sir?
It is very important that you pay attention to what I'm about to say because I will not say it twice. Now, I don't know why she comes here, and I honestly do not care. Huh? But I need you to stop entertaining her, and you know exactly who I am talking about.
Sir, just for clarity, please, who are you talking about? Who exactly?
Well, don't make me have to repeat myself. Stop entertaining.
He said I should not allow you in my shop again.
Is that what you want to do?
Do you know this person?
Yes.
Who is he? Is there a problem?
No, there is no problem. He's a nobody. Please just ignore him, okay?
Amanda, I don't want issues with rich people. I just want to do my thing, my hustle. I don't want problems.
Do you trust me? Do you trust me?
Yes, I
Then
do.
please ignore him. Please. There is no problem, I promise you. Okay?
Okay.
Are we good?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So, what? You're not going to offer me something?
Of course, sit down. You know you're a very special person. I don't want to dust you. Let me get you something.
Okay.
Right. Swallow or rice?
Anyone you want.
Good evening, Dad.
Good evening, Amanda. Who is that boy you've been hanging out with?
What boy?
Who is that boy?
Oh, he's my friend. Is there a problem?
Your friend,
Mm-hmm.
Amanda. A local food vendor.
Yeah?
Is your friend.
Mm-hmm. Is he not a human being just like you and I?
Amanda, you should stop seeing that boy.
What? Dad, that's not going to happen. You have lived your life. You're going to let me live mine, okay?
Amanda. Amanda, don't let me argue with you.
Never knew love could feel this right. You showed up, turned on the light.
Take care.
I was drowning in my silent pain. Then you smiled and it all changed.
Bye.
Like an angel, you came through. Wings of love so pure, so true. Like an angel, you saved me. Now I'm everything I'm meant to be. Like an angel, you came through. Wings of love so pure, so true. Like an angel, you saved me. Now I'm everything I'm meant to be. I still remember that first day.
James, who is that girl and why is she always doing here?
Hey, what do you do for here? I don't understand. The last time you came here, you said my brother does not deserve you. Don't you say that? So what are you doing here?
Jude, I wasn't talking to you. James.
Hey, wait. I know be James. I go slap you here and nothing will happen. I will plaster your face with this about I'm old and nothing will happen. What is wrong with you? See, better leave here and go and nag elsewhere, not here.
James, tell your brother to mind his words.
Oh, okay. Before I do that, all right, I think you should go. If you must come back later.
Huh?
You heard me right.
Hey, no, this is not James.
But you disembark.
You will regret this.
I regret it.
Oh, you also say we don't already regret him. That means James is already crying. Nonsense.
Nah, no do. I know by we go. Is that why you cry? I think I watched play with my brother. Wash that thing well now. Fast, fast. What? Do now. We don't finish for the day.
Hey, I did. How many 1,000 days that
Good evening, sir.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm very
Good evening, sir. So we don't close, though. But if you want something special, we can make it and have it delivered to you. We sell different local dishes: rice, abacha, fish, eggs, pomo. You know.
Listen! If you know what's good for you, stay away from my daughter.
Sir?
Stay clear of my daughter. Otherwise, what will happen to you, you will not be able to explain. And I will deal with your family, including you. I will not warn you again. Stay away from my daughter. If I come back here,
Sir?
You won't be alive to tell the story.
Sir, please, who exactly is your daughter?
What thing just happened now?
Let's say now all these big men. I don't understand.
Why you gonna come here to threaten you now? You cannot do anything.
Sorry, sir.
Dad. Dad.
Yes, sweetheart.
Why did you ask them to freeze my account?
You mean you don't know?
No, I don't.
I don't want you to use my money to provide for that idiot.
What are you talking about? Who am I providing for? Dad, why are you doing this to me?
Well, until you get back to your senses, your account will be frozen.
What do you mean coming back to my sense? Dad, if getting married to that idiot is what you mean by coming back to my senses, hope you know I can't afford it.
Well, the choice is yours, my dear.
Dad, please. Dad, you know I can't be coming to you for everything. I have needs. What if I want to fuel my car? Dad, please.
I agree with you, actually. But you don't need them because you're grounded. You're in here. You're not going to anywhere.
Okay, fine. What about my duty at the office?
Oh,
who is going to cover up for me?
Oh, you don't need to worry. That's been taken care of, actually.
What? You got my replacement? Dad, why are you doing this to me? Why?
Go upstairs and relax. Everything you have is in here. Go and relax upstairs.
This is not fair. This is not fair. I'm an adult. This is not fair.
She is an adult. An adult.
Faith gets shaken and you can't hold on. I'll be the light you lean upon. When the voices rise and they drown your truth, when your heart's been bruised and you've got no proof, I'll be your shelter when the winds run wild. I'll walk beside you every mile. I will stand by you. Through it all, I'll see you through. No matter what this life will do. I will stand by you. Through it all, I'll see you through. No matter what this life will do.
Yes, I'm coming. What did I do now? What did I do?
Madam, Oga said I cannot open gate for you now. Madam, Oga said I cannot open gate for you now.
Perfect. There. The gate man said you asked him not to open the gate for him.
Yes, I did.
What?
Yes, I asked him not to open the gate for you.
What? Why?
Well, you're not allowed to leave the compound. What do you want outside?
Dad, tell him to open the gate. I need to go outside.
What are you going to do and where are you going?
Dad, I'm an adult. Does it matter?
Well, it does, because everything you need is here.
You're joking, right?
Actually, everything you need is here. Food, drinks, entertainment, they're all here. Naomi is here to help you out, so you don't need anything outside at all. They're all here.
I need to get something.
Get out.
Okay, sir.
Send the driver.
What?
Hey!
Why are you doing this to me? Why?
Amanda, go inside and rest.
Hi, Amanda. I was told by your father that you were home alone, and so I decided to come check in on you. See how you're doing.
You know, for someone who said that my father and I need him, don't you think you're doing too much?
Actually, we need each other. I mean, just, you and your father, you actually need my family more.
My father and I were doing just fine.
Oh, yes. Of course, your family will be fine. Your father will be fine. But you, on the other hand, you want to be stuck with that low life. Huh? You want to be with that animal. Huh? One who washes plates all day for a living. Is that who you want to be stuck with? Huh?
I forbid you talking about my friend in such manner.
Okay, I won't talk about him in that manner. But then again, you want to be with a man who is confused whether he's a man or a woman. Is that who you want to be
Well,
with?
that's my decision to make and not yours. Why are you bothered?
How do you even allow that loser touch you?
Touch me. That's something he can do, but you can't. You know what? You disgust me. Looking at you irritates me. I can't stand you.
Amanda, don't you dare work out. Amanda! Amanda!
Come in.
Ma, your father just left.
For real? Okay. Go get my car keys.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Go.
Yes. Ma, I can't find the car keys. Oh, it's like he took the car keys.
That's bad.
So, do I have to do any other thing for you? Anything you want me to do for you?
The gate man. Take him to the kitchen. Make sure you keep him busy there, okay?
Okay.
I'll handle the rest.
All right.
Nana.
Okay. Please be careful up there, I beg. Please. Thank you.
James, can you hear me? Jude! James, your number is switched off. I went to the shop. You're not there. James! James!
Welcome, sir.
Huh. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Where is Amanda, my daughter?
She's upstairs, sir.
Okay. Get me some water.
Okay, sir.
Hey! I think I should play tennis today.
Are you okay?
What thing you they do for here?
Huh? What's going on?
It's none of your business, all right? Just leave us alone.
What? Did my father do this?
And what if he did it? You can't confront him and put us into more troubles. That's the reason I just like staying away from you rich people. Because you like to intimidate people a lot with your power.
No.
No! Listen, let me talk. Listen, look at what you did to my brother. You guys are selfish and you feel like the world revolves around you.
No. I'm so sorry. Why are you yelling at me? I'm not my father.
What
I
is the
didn't
difference
do
between
it.
your father and yourself? You guys are the same people. And there's nothing special about having money. If you put aside the money, you're not even better than low lives like Jude and I.
Why are you saying all this to me, James? Jude, I'm very sorry. I swear to God, I'm so sorry. Are you going to be fine? You know what? It's fine. I'll just leave. I can just go, but I'm sorry for causing you guys so much pain.
I'm sorry. I shouldn't have said that. God, I was hungry. I would never say that to you. I'm sorry. Okay. Why the bag? What's going on? Okay, can we just... Jude, let's just go inside.
I'm sorry I didn't check up on you both. My dad locked me in.
It did alright, Amanda. At least me, I don't they get better. So no problem.
Let me get something. Your dad locked you in. So how did you finally escape to come here?
My chef Naomi helped me. She's my friend.
So where you come day like this now? Like, where are you going to stay?
Here. With you both.
With us?
How?
Look. I'm sorry for the inconvenience, okay? I'm even thinking we need to leave here now. Once my dad realizes that I'm not in the house, he will send people after us.
Hey, Jesus.
Wait, look. I have a friend. We can go to her house. She's currently not in the country. Please, we need to leave.
Okay. Even if we decide to go to your friend's place, is it not going to send the wrong message? Won't it look like we kidnapped you or something? I don't want trouble.
No,
I don't
I'm
have
an adult.
anybody.
No, I'm an adult. I can speak for myself when the time comes. And I saved some money in another account. We can use it. Please, we need to go. Please.
See, I know they like all these kind of things. I beg if we they go, make we they go now. I beg. I don't want chop another beating.
Yes, if we're going, we don't have time for all this talk. Let's just be going already.
Are you packing up? Let's go. Please hurry up. There's no time.
I beg, just let me pack my things, my leg. I beg.
Okay, calm down.
I'm sorry. Sorry. Hope you like the place. Like I said, it's my friend's apartment. She's currently not in the country. We can stay here for some time.
This is so fine. Looks foreign.
Yeah, she has a good taste. So.
But why are you doing all this for us? We are complete strangers.
No. You both are my family now.
Okay?
Thank you, my big sister.
Jude.
I don't know what we did to deserve all this, but thank you.
Look, to be honest, I feel very much at peace anytime I'm with the both of you. In my house, it's always drama. My dad wouldn't stop talking about some idiot he wants me to get married to. So trust me, I'm happy having you both as company. I promise.
We're happy too.
Your dad must be looking everywhere for you now.
He's going to be alright, okay?
Can we settle in now?
Yeah, sure.
Let me show you around.
Can I carry that?
Yeah, sure. Let's go. Jude, come.
At least small money and 5,000 day, my guy.
Here, this way. This is the kitchen.
Oh, okay.
Did you find my daughter?
We couldn't find her, sir.
What do you mean you couldn't find her?
We searched around the shop and the house. The neighbor confirmed the boys packed out of the place.
So where could my daughter be now?
Maybe with the boys. Sir.
Go and get my daughter right now.
Yes, sir.
So why is your dad, pushing you to the guy? What's the deal about the guy?
He's the son of my father's friend and business partner. Apparently, my father wants to strengthen their friendship and consolidate their business relationship.
Why does this always happen with rich people? They do that all the time.
It's not going to happen to me. Yeah. I won't let him make me do what I don't want for myself.
Is the guy that bad?
What? I can't stand him.
Sometimes I wonder what will happen if your father eventually finds us. What if he kills us or throws us into a prison or something?
No. Look, James, I'm not going to let my father hurt you. I won't let anything bad happen to you or your brother, okay? I care about you a lot. I really do.
Thank you so much, Amanda. You've changed my life. And I care about you a whole lot too. You mean everything to me too.
Feels good to know.
So you didn't know when my daughter left the house?
Maybe I was busy in the kitchen, sir.
Maybe you were busy and she flew across the kitchen to the gate because the gate man didn't see her leave.
I don't know anything, sir.
I don't know anything. Go back to your work.
Okay, sir. 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 Please, I know that I'm not worthy to say this, but I don't know if you can hear me out. I think you're hard on your daughter, sir. Sir, these days, it's not always good to force people to do what they don't want to do, especially in marriage. Marriage is a lifetime commitment, sir. You will not want your daughter to end up with who she doesn't want, sir. And you know that giving your daughter out because of the partnership or the agreement you have with your friend years ago. So, sir, I am begging and pleading. You should allow your daughter to be with who she wants, sir. So that both of you can actually be at peace again, sir. That's all I want to say, sir.
It's okay. You can go.
Thank you, sir.
Mr. Andrew, I don't understand what you're saying.
Yeah.
You do understand that I've kept my family on hold, waiting to hear, because they've been asking questions. They've been asking, when is the date? When are we coming to see your family? When are the two families going to be officially introduced to each other? And you want me to go back and tell them this?
Henry, I do appreciate the circumstance in which we're in now. I also know that your family and I have a very long-standing business relationship. But my daughter's happiness is very important to me. You know, she's my only daughter. She's my only child. And since her mother passed, she's been the only happiness that I have. So I must consider her happiness in this matter. She doesn't seem to be predisposed to this relationship at all. I don't see this happening. I don't see this going to anywhere. I just suggest you look elsewhere.
So I'm supposed to tell my grandmother, who came all the way from the United States, my other family members who came from all over the world, my father, who, as we speak, is on a plane on his way into the country from China, all because of the marital rights. My friends, business partners, everybody, that this is no longer going to happen. Mr. Andrew, you do understand that for a very long time, before I was born. So have you thought about the impact that this might have on the relationship?
My son, yes. Your father and I, we have a business relationship, and which has been there for a long time. If he pulls out of the business, he's only going with his shares. So it's just a business relationship. It has nothing to do with this matrimonial relationship. The business can still continue if this matrimonial thing doesn't work out. I don't think it will work out, actually, Henry.
When my father returns, you both can have a conversation.
We will, Henry. It's my pleasure. You refuse to have a drink?
No, thank you.
I'm awfully sorry. You know, there comes a time you make a choice, no matter how difficult it is. I have chosen my daughter.
My guy, how far now?
Good, man. How far?
I do. Is she really gonna stay in this house with us?
Of course. I mean, she'll stay here until she feels safe to go home. Now she bring us come here now, so it's okay for her to stay.
Okay, makes sense. Everything is making sense now. Do you now see a possibility of both of you ending up together?
This guy. Well, honestly, I won't lie. I like this girl a lot. I mean, I dare to use the word love. But you know this yam, bro, she did above our league. See Sandra. Sandra na normal, our street girl. But see how she stressed my life. This one is high and mighty. Eh? I no fit afford them. I no want wahala. You understand?
Not true. Not true. Now today I confirm say you be mumu.
How?
I swear. You see girl when come out from her papa house, come foreign place with you, you still there here talk about level. You have opportunity, brother, grab am. Grab this opportunity and do something with your life. Which one be level?
Abi?
You like as poverty they deal with you like this, my guy.
You feel say like she no go look down on me if I try to like let her know how I feel about her.
Guy, this girl left her father Should I carry a bell and start ringing it that she come out her papa house for you? Or have you approached her that you liked her and she turned you down? Me and you know they go back ghetto. I don't tell you. Me and you know they go back ghetto. You know yourself.
This is what you're saying to me after all I've done for you?
Bring your voice down.
Oh, you're such a shameless guy.
Wait. What did they go on here like this now? Why are you giving this guy this thing ears now? Eh? Did I just hear you say after all you've done for him? Should I tell you what you did? You sucked this guy when he had nothing. Even the little he had, you almost took it away from him. And you stand here to tell him you... Are you okay?
See, Jude, I wasn't talking to you. Please stay out of this. So you have the money to move into a new apartment and you left me behind. After everything we've been through together. I was with you when you had nothing. James!
You need to shout.
You tell her not to shout? What did you do? Apart from requesting for weed to put on this your senseless brain, what else did you do for him?
James, hold him. Just hold him!
Guys, what's going on?
Wait. So you moved in with her? James! Huh? Is it that she's leaving this house now? Or I'll do something everybody will regret in this house?
Huh? I'm very sorry. Listen, we left ghetto and came to this place. We never get any issue any day. You find us come here today now, they make noise. Can you please leave us alone, please?
Shut up. Shut up! Enough of this nonsense. Listen, I've been pampering you too much. Now you have to get the hell out! Jude, do what you know how to do best. Get out! Jude, don't enjoy her sharp. Easy! Get out! Jude, come back here! Oh.
Wait, I'm trying to get this straight. You have a girlfriend?
I do not have a girlfriend. I don't. That girl means nothing. Trust me.
Fine, I'll trust you, but I hope she's not going to come back.
No, I'll make sure she never comes back, I promise you.
Because I honestly do not like girls' drama.
I know. And that's why I'll make sure she never sets her foot on this house again. I cross my heart. Please, don't think about this. I beg of you.
Okay, fine.
Oh, daddy.
Small sugar, what better don't fight? They won't go so calm. What if she tries us away from this house now?
Relax. I'll take charge of this, don't worry.
Cool.
Here.
Thank you.
It's okay. Just take the glass. I got this. Naomi, what's going on? Why have you been calling?
Ma, you need to come back home. Your father is already losing his mind.
No. I can't go back to the house. He doesn't want me there.
No, Ma, he wants you. He sent that guy away. Even called off the wedding.
For real?
Yes.
You're welcome, my daughter. You're welcome. I really missed you. I really missed you. I'm sorry. I thank you too for not allowing me make that mistake.
It's okay, Dad. And the guy?
Oh, he's gone for good. Look, sweetheart. From now onwards, if you're in love with someone, bring the person home. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
It's all right. But where have you been?
Dad,
Yes.
this is my friend, James. He's a very good person, Dad.
Oh, you're welcome, James. Thank you for taking care of my beautiful daughter.
It's my pleasure, sir. You have a great place here.
Oh, thank you. It's all for her.
Right. I'll quickly join Naomi in the kitchen to fix up something.
All right.
Okay?
Okay. James?
Sir.
Well, you're welcome once more, James. I know my relationship with you has been jerky, but we can smoothen it out.
Thank you so much, Chief. Thank you for having me. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. My daughter tells me you have something going. You both?
I'm afraid so, sir.
It's okay. There's no need to feel intimidated. If you both love each other and you're willing to protect each other, then I'll support you. And she tells me that you're very good at what you do. You have passion for what you do. I will support you as well.
Good. Sir, I don't know what to say. This right here feels like a dream, but I'm grateful. Thank you a million times, sir.
It's okay, James. There's no problem. It's okay.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir. I promise you I won't for any reason disappoint you.
I hope so.
I won't disappoint you, sir.
I really hope so.
Promise.
Wow. This is massive. It's going to be one of the biggest restaurants in town.
Yes, Dad. I totally agree with you.
Have you thought of a name yet?
No, not yet.
Sam, I'm grateful.
It's okay.
Jesus, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you.
It's all right, James. It's all right. It's all right. I do believe that in a few months' time, you'll have so many branches in town, you know.
Yes, Dad.
All right. So, when you get a name and whatever else you want to do, we will get it done immediately, right? Okay.
Yes,
Thank you
Dad.
so
Thank
much.
you.
Congratulations.
I trust
now.
you, Daddy.
Yes. Okay, now.
Good.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Okay, all right, sweetheart. Let me
Okay.
go upstairs, okay?
Okay, see you.
Thank you so much, Daddy.
Okay, then.
This feels like a dream.
I know.
Thank you for everything.
It's okay.
You're a breath of fresh air. I love you so much.
And I love you too.
Thank you.
It's okay. This is just the beginning.
This is amazing.
Yes. And I can't wait for us to finish.
I just have a request, yeah?
What?
So, your dad is talking about opening branches. I love it. But I really love to have one branch in Ikorodu. Because Ikorodu people have a special place in my heart.
Okay. And we're going to name it James Restaurant.
Does that even sound good?
I don't know. What?
I love you so much, baby.
Me too.
I love you.